Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your visual brightness in Roblox. While Roblox does not offer a specific gamma slider directly within its game settings, there are several effective methods to enhance your gameplay's visual clarity. We will explore both in-game options and external system adjustments to help you see better in darker areas and customize your overall viewing experience. These steps are straightforward and can make a big difference. First, let's look at the settings available directly within Roblox. While playing any experience, press the Escape key to open the menu. Navigate to the Settings tab and change the graphics mode to Manual. This unlocks more control. Then, maximize the graphics quality slider to its highest level for better lighting and textures. Additionally, consider reducing the background transparency setting to improve contrast and make elements clearer. For a broader impact, you can adjust your display settings outside of Roblox. On a computer, right-click your desktop and select Display Settings to find brightness and color options. Many monitors also have physical buttons for brightness and contrast. If you have a dedicated graphics card, like NVIDIA, its control panel provides advanced settings for gamma, brightness, and contrast, allowing for very precise visual tuning across all applications, including Roblox. Adjusting your visual settings can greatly improve your Roblox experience, especially in games with dark areas where seeing details is crucial. A brighter screen can make gameplay more enjoyable and less straining on your eyes. Remember to find a balance. Too much brightness can wash out colors or create an overexposed look. Experiment with both in-game and system settings to discover what works best for your personal preference and display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.